What's up, YouTube? Beautiful Wednesday morning. Now me and Kristen are out at the range. We're gonna do a little shooting today. Kind of excited. It's the first time that I've shot a gun in almost 2.5 years now. Yeah, actually the last time I shot a gun was in November 2015. Not something we talk about much, but I was involved in a shooting. So the last time that I shot a gun was actually at a person who was trying to kill me. So that's why today's kind of a big deal, because I just haven't had the chance, the opportunity, or I don't know what you want to call it, to shoot since then. So shooting's always been a big part of my life. I was a police officer for 12 or 13 years, and I was a member of a SWAT team for a long time. I was on the sniper unit for that team. So shooting was something that we did all the time. A lot of shooting throughout the years. It was like almost a weekly, it was definitely a monthly thing, almost a weekly thing. So if we're not shooting for 2.5 years, let's see if I can still figure out which end faces the target and see if I can still do this. So it'll be a fun day. It's beautiful out today. Like I said, it's Wednesday, it's sunny, not a cloud in the sky. It's a little chilly, it's probably about 55 degrees outside. But regardless, it's still a nice day. So let's shoot some stuff. All right, so we gave Kristen one job to do, and that was to stack mags. And I could already hear her crying about it. She's been over there for like 10 or 15 minutes now, stacking mags. Let's see this. How's it going?
It's awful.
How many did you do? One?
Yeah, I think it's full.
You didn't even fill it.
It feels like it's full.
You did 13 out of 15.
Oh.
And you only filled one.
Well, I couldn't get it in anymore.
We're gonna be here forever. Shove it all the way in your ear hole. Stick it in.
Oh, that would work. Should it hurt?
No, it'll expand. It'll fill up your ear hole. That's it. Just leave it. Stop touching it.
I don't like anybody touching my ears. I feel like you're sticking your finger in my ear on purpose.
I'm going in a second. Have you ever seen somebody struggle so bad to put foam earplugs in?
Oh.
Come on!
I can't find my ear.
I'm gonna do it in about 10 seconds.
I got it.
Shove it all the way in your ear hole.
I don't like how this feels.
There, you're all set.
We're gonna aim for the little silver thing.
Ready? Still works.
What?
Still works.
Just so we're clear, I got the little things in my ears. I can't hear anything.
You ready to try?
How's that feel?
Fine. Good. Lean forward into it. Good. Good, keep going. Nice and easy. Bigger pull. Good, that was better.
That was low.
It's good. Just leave it like that. Alright, so 10 yards out. Not too shabby. All of them were inside their belly. Where'd that go?
Headshot.
Where'd that go?
Same shot.
Exact same hole. Stupid wind.
Headshot game is strong.
Alright, so that wraps up a day of shooting on the range. Stayed nice outside. It was still a little bit chilly, but not too bad. What do you think? You have fun?
Yeah, it was fun. Exhilarating.
Yeah, so now we're off to get some lunch. And then we have to go back to the gym later, 5 o'clock, we're coaching. And I think that's pretty much it. So we'll see what else maybe we'll throw into the vlog later, but that's it for the range today. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. So we just got back from the range. I ran to pet store. We got some mice and some rats. And the good news is we fed Betty, who just laid our clutch of 9. We just fed her a small rat. It was live and she took it immediately. So it's a really good sign she's back on food. We're pretty excited. So this is day 4 of her clutch. That means today is day 4 of Egg Watch. Egg Watch day 4. Let's check on the eggs. 89.2, still holding strong. Boom.
You better chow down or it's gonna get cold, so eat it. I don't care if you're full, just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and feed it. Have some more yogurt, have some more Spam. It doesn't matter if it's fresh or canned, just eat it. Eat it. Don't you make me repeat it.
Also, another pretty cool thing is I checked on, you guys remember Lucky Snake, the snake that we found in the dumpster? Well, we didn't find, somebody found. ASPCA turned it over to us. Lucky Snake, our big female, she's eaten great for us. She's probably had about 4 meals, eats about once every 10 days or so. But she's locked up. So female spider, Lucky Snake, found in the dumpster, is currently locked with our pastel clown. So we'll see what happens. The first time that we put them together, first time they locked up immediately, so that's a good sign. So we'll see what happens with that. So good news, Betty 8 and Lucky Snake is locked up. Well, happy that's over. Took the 6, a lot of snatches, a lot of pull-ups, a lot of people ripping their hands. But it's not the end of the world. It was a good one, fun workout. Another good day. Get out, get the sweat on. Hope everybody's enjoying their Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow.